Alright. Alan Ginter, number 9. Here we go. Allen and Ginter, number 9. I believe Steph has the most teams, so she will be getting the non-team cards. I'm pretty sure it's not even close. Good luck, everyone. Wouldn't mind another rip card. Good luck. It's been a while since we broke Ginter. Something acid. Not even going to attempt it. Graveman. Mini. The A and G back. And we got Yasiel Puig jersey. First hit. Going to the Dodgers. Donald. KR. Pujols. Unicorn. McKinley, First Ladies. Base. Starting points, Donaldson. Wow, does he look different. Kilmer, Mini. Strickland, Rookie. Phrenology. Morse, Mini. A and G back. Base. Harvey, starting points. Windhorst, Mini. The Beltre 10th anniversary issue. Castillo, starting points. And a healthy body, Mini. Ether. Chen, Mini. Regular back. Chris Bryant, rookie back there. Reed, Mini. Regular back. Shamshear. Base. Bunyip. Drago, the black border. Auto rookie. We got one hit so far. We need something good. Search engine. Mythical Menaces, Iris, mini. Is it really? I did not know that. Bailey, 10th anniversary issue. Batances mini, regular back. Longoria, starting points. Well, that's pretty sweet then. Sandoval mini, regular back. Jin. You got Ryu jersey going to the Dodgers. Donald KR. I didn't know they had some of those minis limited that much too. Hunter starting points. Kimbrel mini A&G back. And Liriano 10th anniversary issue mini. It's rookie card. There you go. Food in pill form. Wainwright mini A&G back. And there's a nice one. Jason Hayward, the auto framed mini, 4 of 10. Nice big auto on there. Going to the Cardinals, Leon EDG. Very nice hit. Nice hit, Leon. Magna Carta. Gordon, starting points. Goliath Beetle, mini. Yeah, that Hayward's real nice. Scherzer, starting points. Gomes, mini. McCutcheon, starting points. Coolidge, first ladies. Qatar, Ancient Armory, Gladwell, the mini, black border. Tulo, starting points. Iwakuma, mini. Yeah, and I didn't mean to cause any problems. It was just, like I said, we can't go back and forth and pick and choose where we're going to start something. We just have to do it. So, Puig, starting points. Tomas, mini. The A&G back. Seager, mini. Artificial Heart. Ace. Yeah, that is going to be a tough one. Bautista, starting points. Man, does he look different. Hoist the Black Flag, mini. Rodon, rookie. LaRoche Mini. Trout starting points. Last pack. Sphinx, Menagerie of the Mind, Rovell Mini. Couple base. Let's see what our box topper is. Really? Another one? Maybe this one will be an auto. Buster Posey. I swear we've already pulled that one. That'll do it for Allen and Ginter number 9. You don't like that one, Aaron?
Is it a watch? No, it's not a watch. Oh, man, you know I needed a watch. Have your cake. New ice cream cake, shakes, and cones. And try one of these delicious master classes.
Nate, did you check the forum today? That Hayward made that a better box, that's for sure.